This video guide is about removing the new browser hijacker that is called Get Search Streams. The website related to this hijacker is getsearchstreams.com. The developers of this extension claim that by installing it, you will be able to get access to some streaming services online. But in reality, Get Search Streams extension functions as a typical browser hijacker. It changes a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission, and for instance, when you submit some search queries, you may get the results by Yahoo search, sometimes by Bing search, or by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. This hijacker Get Search Streams is often spread through integration with some free applications. So in most of the cases, people download and install it pretty unintentionally. So you need to get rid of it as soon as possible. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. To make sure that your computer is free of any other concealed threats, I strongly advise that you scan the system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help to detect and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.